Did you know that during hibernation, a black bear's heart rate can drop to just 8 beats per minute without stopping? Did you know that black bears use a complex language of clicks, grunts, and tongue pops to communicate with their cubs? Did you know that a black bear's claws are actually shaped specifically for climbing trees like a cat, rather than just for digging? Did you know that black bears can remember the exact location of a specific berry patch for over a decade? Did you know that even though they are apex predators, a black bear's diet is actually 90% plants and insects? The American black bear, known scientifically as Ursus americanus, is the most common bear species found in North America. These intelligent animals have managed to thrive in diverse environments, ranging from the frozen tundra of Canada to the humid swamps of Florida. The name black bear is often a misnomer because their fur color varies significantly based on their geographic location. While many are jet black, you can find black bears with coats of chocolate brown, cinnamon, blonde, and even a rare creamy white known as the spirit bear. One of the most striking color variations is the Kermode bear, which lives on islands off the coast of British Columbia. These bears possess a recessive gene that turns their fur white, which actually helps them catch salmon more effectively because they are less visible to fish against the bright sky. Another rare color phase is the glacier bear, which features a unique silvery blue coat. These elusive bears are primarily found in the coastal regions of Southeast Alaska and represent one of the most mysterious genetic variations within the species. Black bears are incredibly agile for their size and are considered the most expert climbers of all bear species. They use their short, curved claws to stair-step up trees, a skill they use to escape predators like grizzly bears or wolves. A black bear's sense of smell is considered one of the best in the entire animal kingdom. Their nasal mucosa area is about 7 times larger than a human's, allowing them to detect odors from miles away and even identify individual components of a complex scent. While they have a reputation for being fierce carnivores, black bears are actually opportunistic omnivores. Their diet is surprisingly flexible, consisting mostly of grasses, roots, berries, and nuts, supplemented by insects and the occasional small mammal. Black bears have a specialized organ in the roof of their mouth called the Jacobson's organ. This allows them to taste the air, helping them locate mates or identify potential threats with incredible precision. During the autumn months, black bears enter a state called hyperphagia, where they become biologically driven to eat as much as possible. During this time, they may consume up to 20,000 calories a day to build up the fat reserves necessary for winter survival. Hibernation in black bears is a biological marvel that scientists still study to understand human health. Unlike many other hibernators, black bears do not eat, drink, or pass waste for up to 7 months, yet they emerge in the spring with minimal muscle loss. When a black bear hibernates, its body temperature drops only slightly, which allows it to wake up quickly if it senses danger near the den. This is a survival adaptation that distinguishes them from true hibernators, whose bodies become nearly frozen. During the winter sleep, a black bear's heart rate slows dramatically to conserve energy. It may beat only once every few seconds, and their breathing rate can drop to 1 breath every 45 seconds. A unique feature of black bear biology is that they can recycle their own urea into proteins while hibernating. This process prevents their muscles from wasting away and keeps their kidneys from failing during months of inactivity. Mother black bears typically give birth in January or February, while they are still in their winter dens. The cubs are born incredibly small, weighing less than a pound, and are blind and hairless at birth. Black bears exhibit a phenomenon called delayed implantation, to ensure their cubs' survival. After mating in the summer, the embryo does not attach to the uterine wall until the mother has gained enough fat to sustain herself and her offspring through the winter. If a female black bear does not gain enough weight during the fall, her body will naturally reabsorb the embryos. This biological failsafe prevents her from giving birth to cubs she wouldn't be able to provide for during the harsh winter. Black bear cubs are extremely playful and spend much of their time wrestling and climbing. This play is actually critical training that helps them develop the strength and coordination they will need to survive as adults. A mother black bear is famously protective and will use a variety of vocalizations to command her cubs. If she senses danger, she will give a specific woof that tells her cubs to immediately run up the nearest tree and stay there until she gives the all clear. Black bears are surprisingly fast and can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour over short distances. This makes them faster than the world's quickest humans, proving that their bulky appearance is quite deceiving. Their feet are plantigrade, meaning they walk with their heels flat on the ground, just like humans do. This allows them to stand on their hind legs with great stability to get a better view of their surroundings. While they are excellent at climbing, black bears are also strong swimmers. They have been known to swim across large lakes and even stretches of ocean to reach islands in search of food or new territory. The intelligence of a black bear is often compared to that of higher primates. They have been observed using tools, such as using rocks to scratch themselves, and they can solve complex puzzles to reach food hidden in bear-proof containers. Black bears have a high level of spatial memory and can navigate across hundreds of miles to return to their home range. This homing instinct makes it very difficult to relocate bears that have become habituated to human food. In the wild, black bears can live to be about 20 to 25 years old. However, most bears in the wild do not reach this age due to various environmental pressures, though some in protected areas have been documented living into their 30s. Black bears are generally solitary animals, preferring to live and hunt alone. The only consistent social groups are mothers with their cubs, though bears may congregate peacefully in areas with an abundant food source, like a salmon run. They communicate through a scent-marking system known as rub trees. A bear will bite, claw, and rub its back against a tree to leave behind its unique scent, telling other bears its size, sex, and physical condition. Black bears are surprisingly quiet most of the time, but they have a wide range of vocalizations. They grunt when relaxed, blow loudly when startled, and make a unique clicking sound with their tongues when they are feeling anxious. The hearing of a black bear is significantly more acute than that of a human. They can detect high-frequency sounds that are well beyond our range, helping them hear the rustle of a rodent or the movement of a predator from a great distance. Black bears have color vision, which is a rare trait among many large predators. This ability is specifically adapted to help them identify different types of ripe berries and nutritious plants in the dense forest. The paw of a black bear is equipped with 5 toes and non-retractable claws. Unlike grizzly bears, whose claws are long and straight for digging, black bear claws are short and curved, acting like climbing spikes. While black bears are usually active during the day, they can become nocturnal if they live near human populations. This shift in behavior allows them to avoid contact with people while still accessing food sources. A black bear's skull is wide and features powerful jaw muscles. Their bite force is estimated to be around 800 pounds per square inch, which is strong enough to easily crush heavy bones or thick tree branches. Interestingly, black bears have a very low incidence of cancer and other degenerative diseases. Scientists are currently studying their DNA to see if their unique ability to regenerate tissue during hibernation could hold keys to human medicine. In the Pacific Northwest, Black bears play a vital role in the ecosystem by transporting nutrients from the ocean to the forest. After catching salmon, they often leave the carcasses on the forest floor, which fertilizes the soil with nitrogen. Black bears are known to be right-handed or left-handed, just like humans. You can often tell a bear's preference by looking at which paw shows more wear on the claws, or which one they use first to flip over a heavy rock. The spirit bear of British Columbia is so revered by the local indigenous peoples that they never hunted it or spoke of its location to outsiders. This cultural protection helped the rare white-furred population survive for centuries. A black bear's skin is actually extremely thick and tough, acting as a form of natural armor. This protects them from the stings of bees and wasps when they are raiding hives for honey and larvae. Black bears are proficient at fishing for insects. They will spend hours flipping over heavy boulders to find ants, beetles, and grubs, which provide a high-protein snack during the summer months. The density of a black bear's fur is incredible, with about 500 hairs per square inch. This thick coat provides excellent insulation against both the freezing cold of winter and the intense heat of the summer sun. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the world of the American black bear. I hope you found these facts as mind-blowing as I did. If you enjoyed this wildlife journey, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Ethan Facts so you never miss out on our latest animal mysteries. We want to hear from you. Which black bear fact surprised you the most? Was it their incredible sense of smell? Or the fact that they can be born white or blue? Let us know in the comments below. We regularly upload amazing facts about the world's most mysterious creatures, so there is always something new to discover. If you're ready for more, click the video on your screen right now to explore another incredible animal. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.